Hello and welcome to Tech Time, brought to you by the Kingston Library. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the online library catalog. First, let's open a web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but anyone will do. Now we can go to our search bar and type in kingstonlibrary.org and then press enter. Now there are two options from this point. As you can see, there are two buttons, the search catalog button and the login button. What we are trying to do depends on which button is most useful. If we are just checking to see if a library has a book that we want, the search catalog would be what we want, because the search catalog button takes us directly to the search bar in the catalog. However, for this example, we are going to click login. This takes us to the login page. Here's where you would type in your barcode, which is on the back of your library card. I already have mine saved. And here's the place to type in your PIN. If you've never used the online catalog before, type in whatever you want to create your PIN. Or if you already have a PIN, go ahead and type that in now. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can call the library during business hours and a clerk can reset it for you. Once you log in, as you can see, we are back in the same place as you would go to if you had pressed the search catalog button. However, now, as you can see, we are logged in. Before we search, let's click My Account. Here's where you can see what you have checked out, what you have on hold, and what fines you have and the ability to pay them. Let's do a search now. As you can see, there is still a search bar on the page. I'm going to do a search for my favorite book series, Percy Jackson, and when I'm done, I'm just going to press enter, or that little arrow would work too. Now I can see what shows up, which are various DVDs and books. There are options to refine my search, such as by format, whether I want ebook, books, e-music, e-audiobooks, books on CD, or more. I can also filter by location, or whether it's found in the title, subject, or author. I can search by collection, whether it shows up in young adult, or children's material. I can search by subject, such as in the case of Percy Jackson, we have Greek mythology. I can search by genre, place, language, and even publication date. You can scroll down and see all of the things that are available with whatever you put in the search bar. And if you want to request something, all you have to do is click the request button, and then it asks where you want it. And when you submit it, the request will go through, and then it will show up in your hold section. You can also use the search catalog to find ebooks, and you can get those ebooks from various places, such as Hoopla. We have a lot of books through Mid-Hudson Library Digital Downloads, which is Overdrive. So the catalog doesn't just show you physical books, but also digital books as well. After I request something, I can go to my account, and I can now see that it's there in the holds. If I wanted to cancel that hold, I could click cancel, and then update list. And then I just have to confirm it by clicking yes. And there we go. It's as easy as that. Now you know how to use the Mid-Hudson Library System online catalog. Thank you for watching, and if there's anything you would like to learn how to do, let us know and maybe we'll make a video on it. Thank you for coming to Tech Time.